Dear students, let's continue chapter percentage. In this video, we will learn how to convert given percentage into fraction, ratio, decimal. Look at the first question. Convert each of the following percentage into fraction. Now to convert a percentage into a fraction, we have to replace the percent sign with 1 by 100, or you can say divide by 100. Remove the percentage sign and then divide the number by 100. First part is 12%. Now remove the percent sign and divide the given number by 100. So let's do the cutting if it is possible. 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100. So we'll convert after just replacing the percent sign by divide by numerator by 100. Reduce the fraction to the simplest form. After removing the percentage sign and dividing the number by 100, reduce the fraction to the simplest form. So here it is equal to 3 by 25. Now second part, 6 is to 1 by 4%. So first, convert this into improper form. Improper form. It is 25 by 4%. Now when we remove the percent sign, we will divide it by 100. We will put 100 in the denominator. Now let's do the cutting and we'll express this fraction to the simplest form. 25 4s are 100. So it is equal to 1 by 16. 4 4s are 16. Look at the third part. 0.6%. So let's remove the percent sign and divide the given number by 100. Now remove the decimal sign also. Here it is decimal also, and here it comes 10 in the denominator. So we have 6 upon 1000. Now convert this into lowest form. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, it is 500. So the simplest form of the fraction is 3 by 500. Now look at the second question. Express each of the percentage as a ratio. We want to convert this given percentage into ratio, as a ratio. So first remove if we want to convert this into ratio, again we can we remove the percent sign and divide the number by 100. And now in the second step, reduce this fraction in simplest form. So here it is 4 9s are 36 and 4 25s are 100. So 9 upon 25 we can write in ratio, it is 9 ratio 25. Write the fraction as a ratio, that is 9 ratio 25. Now look at the second part, 7.5%. So again 7.5, and we remove the decimal and put 100 in the denominator, divide by 100. Now remove the decimal also. Here it comes 10, multiply by 100. Now first reduce this to simplest form. 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. So here we left with 3 by 40, and it can be expressed in the ratio form also. 3 ratio 40. So the ratio is 3 ratio Now, third question. Convert these given percentage into decimals. We want to convert this given percentage into decimal. It is 45%. First, remove the percent sign. 45 divided by 100. Now we want to convert this into decimal. So we have done this chapter decimal, how to place decimal. Now remove the percent sign. We have removed the percent sign. Now express this fraction into decimal form. Place the decimal after leaving 2 digits from the right side. So this is 0.45. Second question, 3.6%. So here it is 3.6 upon 100. After removing the percent sign, 100 comes in the denominator. So you can straight away put the decimal. You can straight away put the decimal. You can shift your decimal from right side and leave 2 places. So here it is 6. So this decimal shift to after 2 places. So here we put 0 in front of that. Or you can remove the decimal. Here it comes 10 and 100 is already here. So it comes 36 upon 1000. Now you can place the decimal after leaving 3 digits from the right side. So here it is 0.036. This is your answer. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.